got a northern head that doesn't want to come up.
Oh my gosh, yeah, this is northern.
Holy crap. Just hold it. Keep your pole up in here. That's a big one.
Well, hold on to the pole.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Can I get a picture of them? Don't try to lift them up. Just bring them in easy.
Oh, it's a big one.
It is. Look at him. He doesn't want to come up.
My arms are so tired.
That's a nice one. Keep him coming.
Keep your pole up.
Now what?
He's a kitty.
Just bring him to... Just keep real. You got him, Kim.
Wow.
This one's going to Brennan. This one's going
a
to...
big one.
I'll get him.
Move that under there.
Oh boy, that is a big one.
Christy, are you getting nice pictures? No.
Oh, you got the hook out. Let me see him in the movie.
See him?
I think so. Oh, he's a big one. Is she going to hold him? Or, oh, look at all the...
Are you serious? What do you want?
Why are you taking off your clothes? She's warm.
Are you going to try to pick him up or do you want me to?
No, I'll pick him up.
He's going to shake right out of your hand, so you guys got to take a picture of him.
You got pictures, Christy?
How do I hold
Hang
mine?
on. I would grab him behind the back of his head. No, not really. He's too big.
Don't let him
Give
pull
him
you in.
two hands, Kim. Just hang on. Let's just let him.
I'm excited.
She's like a little kid.
He's big.
Gosh.
She's going
Can I get one of him in the net then, me?
You can try.
Wait.
That's a big fish.
Now let's see his face.
See, Kim's never going to be able to hold it.
Yeah, that's all right. She doesn't. That's good enough.
Holy cow. Do you want to try to weigh him?
No.
I don't know if we can do it. Get the hooker thing, get the weigher thing, and hook him in the mouth. Oh, she's got him.
Once he
Nice,
goes,
Kim.
he's good. Don't drop him.
That is a beauty.
You look.
Move your shoulder over, Eddie.
Kimberly.
Are you getting a clear picture? We'll see.
Alright.
One more.
Lower him in the water and
Hurry.
splash him around like this.
Are you getting the whole thing back of them? Kim, they're going to kill it. Okay, I got one. Wow.
That is a nice fish. Good job.
Is he all right?
Yeah, he's just a little.
Look at him.
Wow, there he goes. Whoop.
Thanks for telling us there we go. And I thought he was a little fish at first.
I thought you lost him. Because you were...
Can I please send one of these to Brenda
I
right
have
now?
to see them first.